my sweet besties. Welcome back to another vlog. I figured I would just pick up the camera and start filming now because I just had to film another video. I'm wearing my favorite shirt as of recently. I love her so much, and actually I got the shirt in another color, so it's the same shirt but I got it in a blue and white stripe for the spring. I think it's going to be absolutely perfect. Also, this is so random, but I took all of the perfume samples that were in here and separated them from the little paper packaging and put them all in this bag so I have a better idea of what I have. And I started separating them into samples that are perfumes that I love versus ones that are okay or mid, I guess, to me. And then the ones that I don't like, I'm putting in a separate baggie, not in these, which are going to be given away. But I'm slowly going through these. I'm going to use these all up. I know it. I'm gonna do it. And here is the rest of the collection. This is what the Scentbird part is looking like. And then those that are right there. You are not going to believe what came in. I'm so excited. They're so cute. It's my bee cups. Ah! Look how cute. These are the things that you stick into your plants and you put water in here, and then the bees get water because they're thirsty pollinators. Oh, I love it. This right here is the glaze. If you see this little extra juicy area, I'm so freaking excited. It's finally cold outside, so that means I can wear my winter in Florida outfit. Long sleeve shirt, the brown Lulus, some sneaks, but I have an outfit of Sunny's that I need to show you because it's so cute. He is so excited. He wants to show you his backpack. Let him see the backpack. He has a Lulu backpack. I am obsessed with this. It is so cute. Here's the baby with his new backpack. What do you have to say for yourself, young man? What do you have to say? Sunny, Sunny, Sunny. He didn't attack another dog just now, but he like lunged at them and snarled, but he was being playful, but it was too much. I'm so mad. It was going so great until it just wasn't. Luckily he was on the leash, and the dog I was interacting with, there was a dog trainer who was the owner, and so he had really good control of his dog, thankfully, because I did not have good control of Sunny. I mean, I had him on the leash and I kept him near me, but I was trying out this like basically bungee cord leash because apparently it was supposed to be better for dogs who pull. I'm never doing that again. He also needs to get fixed. It is evident. Oh my god, that was so exhausting. I did not expect that to go that way, but it's fine. I will recover. I'm gonna take a little leisurely rest on the balcony. This is so cute. We have some seedlings already. They're waterlogged from the rain, so I need to dump this out, but look how freaking cute. I brought them out front so they'd get a little bit more sunlight because right in front of our house we don't get much. So I'm hoping this dries out the plants a little bit. Good morning, besties. How are we doing today? Sunny is here with me right now. We just cleaned the house. The work day is over. It is Friday, by the way, and I figured you could spend the weekend with me. We are gonna go to a nursery right now, a plant nursery, to go get some soil because we are continuing on with 2024's garden. So I wanted to take you along for the ride. Beautiful. We're gonna go with the Ocean Forest potting soil. I think this one will be good. Along with everything else that we got yesterday, like the soil, I picked up a few other things here and there. I got these gardening gloves. It's from Woman's Work, and these were made in the US, so I thought that was really cool. I got some plant food, my bee cups to feed the thirsty pollinators, and I also got this compressed potting plant soil in case we need it. I got this a while ago. I forgot I got these little herb planters for my birthday from Nick's sister and brother-in-law, so I'm super excited to try this out. We will add it in to today's planting fun. So embarrassingly, we never cleaned up from last year's garden, and this is what our porches looked like, and I've been meaning to do it for like months now, so kind of embarrassing. I don't want to be those people with the really ugly porch. So we're gonna take care of all of this today before we plant. So we have to get rid of everything that's in here. That's just a weed that's growing, and that's old soil. We got to wash everything. So that is what my first goal is. the whole area out. Look how good it's looking now. I mean, we still need to pressure wash over here, but look how big those strawberries are getting. We have some more sprouting action, but I need to push some of the sprouts into the soil more.
Get it in there, and then we'll say sorry before.
That failed, but it's okay.
2 zucchini muffins.
Okay.
A lemon cake.
Okay.
And 4 shots of espresso with some mocha syrup, just in like a little cup.
Came out looking so fantastic. I am so impressed with them. I can't wait to try them. I just pulled them out though, so they need to rest and relax and get a little bit cooler before we can cut into them, but I did check and it seems as if they are done. Well, besties, I just got back from a walk. I went around the lake. It was so nice this morning. It was nice and cool. I definitely got out before it got hot out today because I think it's gonna get to be like 80 degrees today, which is insane. Thought we were in winter, whatever though. I hope you enjoyed watching me make 2024's garden. We still have some stuff to do and I didn't get to some things, but we'll do that next weekend. We have a lot to accomplish, but I love you all. I hope you gave yourself a little extra love today and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.